Richard Mille RM275 Flying Tourbillon Rafael Nadal. Main features are manual winding tourbillon movement with hours and minutes. Limited edition of 80 pieces. Power reserve is around 55 hours approximately. Product total weight is 3.79 grams. Movement characteristics. Movement dimensions 32.75 x 28.95 m. Thickness 2.12 m. Tourbillon diameter 10.30 m. Balance diameter 9.0 m. Number of joules 22. Balance glucidur with 2 arms and 4 setting weights. Moment of inertia 11.50 mg km 2. Angle of lift is 53. Frequency is 3 Hz 21,600 V. Balance spring Elenvar by Nivarox. Shock absorbers KIFLS or KE 160/28. Barrel shaft nickel-free conifer DINX 46 Cur 13 plus SE with the following characteristics: stainless, anti-magnetic, suitable for tempering.